Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Dandelion. This is a brand new vegan / cruelty-free subscription. Basically, they help you adjust to changing your lifestyle. There are 4 different category types. I'm not sure what's in here, but when you sign up, you can choose from makeup, home care products, pet products, and then you select the type of pet product as well as personal care. There are 2 different boxes as well. There's a mini that contains 3 items for $30, and then there's their standard box that contains 5 items for $45. I don't know what's in here, so I don't know which box this is yet, and we're gonna kind of find out together. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Dandelion so you can check them out if you so desire. One thing I noticed right away, like they have coupon codes for each of the brands that they're including up here, which I think is really neat. I kind of didn't want to get dressed today, so I didn't want you guys to see me looking terrible. All right, so right off the top here, Danny McGee is a plant-based nutrition coach and vegan chef. She's the owner of Damn Good Vegan, an online educational platform dedicated to making the transition to a plant-based diet simple. I'm just kind of abbreviating. On the back then, they have a barbecue cauliflower taco recipe, which actually sounds really good. And I would eat that without the tortilla. Anyway, all right, so let's go in here. What is this? I don't know. So I'm curious if this is like the makeup box, all that stuff, because I know those are very popular. All right. Oh my gosh, sorry for all the crinkling. I'm going to take this away. All right. So right here we see this is Leisha's Lacquer. This is a cuticle oil. I don't know if it's scented. I wonder. This is actually, yeah, it's white tea and ginger right there on the bottom. So that's pretty cool. Oh, would you focus? There we go. So that's pretty cool. What's this? This is Buddha Butter Spread the Love All-in-One Pure Daily Moisturizer. I love this package. It's sealed. Now I could stay here and try to open it, but I'm afraid. Oh. They were already chipped, don't worry. All right, so I think this is the mini. Oh no, there's 4, 5. Nope, this is the full-size box. Okay, so next we have, I'm wondering what the scent of that is. This is Potion Body Fragrance Oil. Ooh, what is the scent? Oh, I'm gonna have to take it off here. This is, they're faith-based because there's a Proverb 57, 9, 10. I don't know. Let's smell it though. We'll open it up. I have a feeling this is one of those silver ball ones. Yup, I can always tell. Ooh, it smells like jasmine. It's like a jasmine. Oh, and ooh, it's floral, which you guys know I love, and like a little bit of citrus. That's really cool. All right, then we have some facial rounds. Oh, I love these. I can use these for so many different things. For taking off makeup, for putting on certain types of, not serums, but, things that you put on before a serum, like an exfoliator or something like that. These are so nice. And then you just bleach them. And you have them for just anything. Oh, they're so cool. I love to have these. All right. So, I should say, the company is cute and funky. And they're organic. All right. So, finally, our 5th item. What is this? So this is obviously I would say the personal care box. So this is a moonstone. Oh, okay, so they make candles, but this, I think when they say moonstone, it means it is one of those, the stones inside of it. I love these. My son loves crystals. I think I told you guys that. And he likes to bug me for them. So this is Visions of Venus Soy Wax Candle. Oh, whoops. It's a wood wick too. Here. Ooh, that is so nice. I love the scents they included are like my favorite. This is like a warm, soft floral, like very pretty and delicate and glittery. So that is really cool. I don't know much else. There isn't like a card that tells you about like what these things cost. So if you're interested in the price breakdown, I will link to my full review below. For in this box, we received our candle, our facial rounds. I love these. I think that's so cool. It's probably my favorite item. This cool body butter. It's great for winter too, like these colder months. Our cuticle oil and our fragrance oil, which is amazing. I love this. I'm gonna wear it all the time. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye.